watching Carlyle's Picks, and we're here on the electric bike, the Zero S, here at Hollywood Electrics.
There's just a switch right there.
Oh, that's the app you were talking about? All right, so this bike has got a little bit more oomph than the standard bike, absolutely, but you still got that same nice light feel, smooth throttle delivery, pulls you right out of the turn. I'm not so worried about that jerky throttle thing that you get on the piston engine bikes. Powerful brakes just like the other one. Go right around these turns. Again, this is not a racetrack, so I can't go as fast as I feel confident going. Whoa. Yeah, man. Oh, like a bat out of hell. All right, this is fun. So apparently this bike sucks just like any other bike when you're stuck behind a truck. But that acceleration comes in handy right there. Oh man. Just zip right past that guy. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh man. You gotta be careful on this. This is souped up for sure. And although the throttle is still smooth, what happens is sometimes when you're getting on it, if you don't pay attention to how you're holding the throttle's really loose. Maybe that's part of it. You can kind of get a little jerk, nothing too crazy, but it does give you that. But that's just from bad. That's me screwing up, not the bike at all. Nice, lean and pulls you out of the corner like a rocket. Oh, powerful brakes. Whoa, and here we go with sand on the road. All right, see, that's why you don't go flying around the corners. See, I know people watch these videos, you know, that's YouTube, man. People always make their comments. They watch the videos and they say, man, you're going so slow, whatever. Yeah, I know you guys be entertained by me crashing, and I'd probably get a lot of views and stuff like that, but I'm not trying to crash. There's a reason why my safety record is as it is, and it has to do with the fact that I don't go flying around blind corners on a public street, you know? I gotta know what I'm getting into. So it's knowing your bike, knowing your skill set, but also you've got to know what you're getting into. You got to know what kind of conditions you're riding on. And I can't do that if I can't see. So imagine me go flying around a corner and get into that sand. You know, that would suck. A broken down car around the corner. All right, we got a little sand over here, it looks like. But yeah, you pull right out of those corners, man. Wow. Woo! Getting my lean on. I mean, it's that kind of aggressive acceleration, like, you know, not quite the Hayabusa, but I mean that where you feel the front end get a little light. You know, you you feel that. All right, I think we need to go up this road. There you go, Mulholland Drive. Now we're gonna go right. You're watching Carlyle's Picks, and this is the Zero S electric bike.